Tony DeFrank with California Car Cover, here with episode 2 of the Kia Telluride Protection Plan. Well, in the first video, we covered our custom fit car covers, some basic detailing products, sunshades, and now it's time to step up our interior protection game. I have 2 young kids, so protecting the interior of this vehicle is tough and also very important. So had the car for about 3 months. It's already at like 7,000 miles, so now it's time to really upgrade the interior, keep it looking good for all of our summer road trips. So we got some awesome custom fit floor mats from our friends at Lloyd mats here, and also from Weathertech that we purchased to should just show you how easy it is to install these mats and really upgrade your interior protection. For the front row, I opted for some of the Lloyd mat Ultimat plush carpet mats. It's like their kind of signature floor mats, a nice thickness. They look really good. Kind of compared to the factory mats, I'll kind of pull these out and you can kind of see and kind of compare them. But the Lloyd plush mat's going to be a thicker mat and fit just as nice because it is custom fit for the vehicle. So you can see, here's my passenger mat here. What's great about Lloyd mats, they always make sure they have OE type safety anchors in them. So these are going to be like anchors that are just like what I have on the floorboard of the Kia. So they kind of anchor quickly and easily. And if you want to kind of compare these to the OE mat, get this out. So, yeah, got an OE mat and the carpet mat. So they are like similar in size, but definitely the thickness is where you're gonna get the difference in these mats. So when you're want to kind of compare mats, the new mats don't have the logo applique, but they're a heavier weight mat, so it's gonna be more durable. And I'll kind of pop these in here real fast and move on to the driver's side. The Lloyd Mat Ultimate Carpet Floor Mats are made from 32-ounce DuPont nylon, which is twice the weight of most OEM-style floor mats. The mats have a 5/16 pile height for excellent wear and durability. The mats are custom fit for the vehicle for optimal fit, protection, and security. Mats also include OEM-style anchors to secure to your vehicle's floorboard and a rubber anti-slip backing. First row's done. Now it's off to the second and third rows. Instead of the Lloyd mat, like Ultimats for the middle of the rows of the vehicle, I opted for some WeatherTech HP floor liners. I thought these would be a little better for kind of just spill and snack resistance from my kids. So I went with the liners versus the carpet models. They're still going to be custom fit, but they'll probably give me a little better protection against, drinks, snacks, crackers, Cheerios, whatever ends up on the floor. Easy to sweep up and protect the interior with these liners. So I want to throw these in real fast, and then we'll move on to the cargo area. Got our HP floor liner ready to go. See, it's custom fit. It's a nice one-piece mat that goes across the back seat. Check that out. So it covers the center hump for when the kids stand up, climbing in and out of the car. Has the groove, has the holes for the OEM anchors. So definitely an upgrade over the OE mat. So we'll throw this in and move on. The WeatherTech HP floor liner is the next generation of floor mats from WeatherTech. This rubber-like TPE material is soft yet durable. The curved edges and grooved design keeps messes, spills, and grime on the mats, not in your interior. The liners are custom fit to the vehicle for optimal protection below and around the seats. Alright, so last item for the day is a cargo liner. So instead of like the WeatherTech style liner, it's kind of rigid, I went with the Lloyd Mat Ultimat plush carpet liner. I like this mat because it rolls up, so it's easy to install. And also, if you need access to third row seat, you can roll it up and store it real easy. So it's custom fit, so it fits right in there. Look at that, already installed. And then if you need to use the third row seats, you just roll this up. Remember how to fold things. Roll. You just roll it up. You can pull up your third row seat here. So this way, and it stores out of the way. It's no problem. I like the carpet liner. I feel like the texture kind of keeps things in place from rolling around in your back seat. And that's it. So we'll put it back in there, and then that about wraps up episode 2 of our Kia Telluride Protection Plan. So if you have any questions on any of the protection products we've been talking about, shoot us a message. Let us know. Post any comments. Subscribe if you have a Kia Telluride. If you have any questions about great custom accessories offered at California Car Cover, or any questions on the Telluride in general. It's brand new to us, so we're learning things daily. So again, Appreciate the time, and we'll see you next time as we dig into some more protection products for the interior and exterior.